Popular and scholarly sources. At the end of this module, you'll be able to identify the difference between a scholarly source and a popular source. Often, your professor will require that your paper or project use a variety of sources. The list might be something like 2 scholarly sources, 2 popular sources, and 2 books. You're already familiar with popular sources. They're written for the general public, they're often written by journalists, and they report on current topics and events. Their purpose is to entertain or persuade, and the writing style is non-technical and conversational. Many library databases contain articles from both popular and scholarly sources. When you're looking at types of databases, general databases and newspapers are both going to have popular resources. For example, if I want to use the general database Academic Search Complete and look for fraternities and binge drinking, I get 52 results. If I want to see just the popular sources, I can limit to just magazines, and that narrows my results down to about 21 hits. I've gone back to the original set of 52 results, and now I want to limit to just scholarly or peer-reviewed articles, and say I only want the last 5 years of scholarship. So when I run that search, it significantly limits it. I only got about 5 hits of the last scholarship, and let's figure out what makes these scholarly articles. The third article looks particularly interesting, so I'm going to open up that record. I can see the record as subject headings I could follow to find more articles on my topic, but for now I'm going to open up the full text PDF. So you can see this article shows the author's affiliations. It has an abstract. It may also have particular authors' accreditations. It's going to have in-text citations citing the sources used. Depending on the discipline, you may also find graphs and charts. The language used is going to be technical. And at the end of a scholarly article, you'll always find a list of references. So this is a list of features for scholarly sources. They're written for and by the academic community, often people with PhDs. They tend to report on research. They've usually gone through a peer review process. Their purpose is to educate. The writing style tends to be technical, and they always have a bibliography or a list of references. In summary, you should now be able to tell a popular source from a scholarly source using the criteria listed.